Hello guys, so today I will be showing you how to get to Moon Map. So first you need well, one or two hard guns. Two hard guns makes it faster, and also group it so it only counts as one hard gun taking your head, so will actually work more efficient. Okay, so now we go to mountains, then pretty we go to over here. Sure. Okay, now just slide down. No. Then we would want to go right here. Okay. No, that's way too far. Okay. Back to that spot. Okay. Okay. So basically, wait. So you wanna go all the way down here, like all the way down here until you see this patch of snow. You don't want to cross that. So okay, you don't want to pass this. So you want to stand right here. Then you want to go forward. You want to see this. Whoa, yes. Then you want to go to this. You're here. Cars. Forget that. Anyways, you can drive the cars with your right trigger. Left trigger is brake. The little small triggers is boost. Either controller, doesn't matter. Also, and to go back, you go through this. And if you want to bring people, you can do this. You can also do it with a ray gun. Gadgets. Get the remote controller, put it. Press Y on your right controller. Y. Yeah, no, B. B on your right controller. Teleport. Then you could dump their bag out and yeah, then you can go through here. Anyways, subscribe and check out the and like to support me. Bye.